I hope you enjoyed your tour of the Chrysler factory. This is the factory that builds my favorite car in the world, the Dodge Viper. Annette is contemplating buying a Dodge Viper, but is not sure if it will fit in her garage. She has a model Viper which says that the scale is 1 to 18. The measurements of the model are 10 inches by 4.5 inches and 2 inches high. Each measurement has a tolerance value of plus or minus 0.2 inches. How big is the real version in feet? First question to ask yourself, are our final measurements going to be bigger or smaller than the original ones? Yes, they are going to be bigger because this time we are moving from a model that is smaller to the actual object size. It is helpful to organize all our original measurements into a chart as done here. Next, let's fill in our conversion wheel. We know our scale is 1 to 18, 1 unit on the smaller object being 18 on the larger. To get from the smaller to the larger, we times by 18, or from the larger to the smaller, we divide by 18. Next, let's do our calculations. We know the model size is 10. Since we are getting bigger, we want to times by 18. We know there are 12 inches in a foot, so after we have figured out that this is 180 inches, we go 180 divided by 12 equals 15 feet. Size B, same thing. 4.5 times 18 equals 81 inches divided by 12 is same with size C. We go 2 times 18 equals 42 inches. 42 divided by 12 equals 3.5 feet. So now we have figured out the area of the real vehicle, but we have not accounted for error. To do this, we take the 0.2 inches that were potentially error, multiply it by the scale, so times 18 gives us 3.6 inches potential error on every measurement we have above. But we converted all those measurements into feet, so let us do the same with the area. 3.6 divided by 12 equals 0.3 feet error. We can collect all this information in a chart. We know measurement A we had found to be 15 feet, but it's plus or minus 0.3 feet, so it is somewhere in the range between 14.7 feet and 15.3 feet. Because we have put the foot in the top of our table, we do not need to put it in each consecutive box. This is okay as long as you are willing to put all the measurements in the same units. Now we have done a couple of problems together, taking into account different areas of concern. Following are a few problems for you to try yourself, the first that comes with a couple of hints. Go on to your next destination.